Alright, y'all. This is Tammy Sue Stufflebeam coming at you. Royce identification card only. Sometimes I feel like I'm seeing an aura come about my face, of which I'm not liking. The aura belongs to a girl named Dottie. And if you notice in the videos, my face does seem to kind of change, and it just really makes me mad, because I hate it when an aura tries to wear me. It just makes me so mad. However, there's a thunderstorm, and I love thunderstorms. I always have. I get a rush off of them. But, and they are quite beautiful. The clouds, the way they're shaped right now. Look at those clouds. Aren't they beautiful the way they're shaped? Those clouds are just quite beautiful the way they're shaped. Boy named Zach. Gee. He's cute. Bit of chemistry there. Between the two of us, he's a man, but still. A bit of chemistry between the two of us. It's not just one-sided, I'll admit it. I don't know why, but there is. I don't know. I'm giving it thought. Truly I am. I'm giving it thought. Truly I am giving it thought. Wow. I am giving it, yeah. What do you think? Oh, sorry. I got off into the clouds. And thinking about the guy named Zach. They're quite beautiful clouds, aren't they? They're highly, highly beautiful. I just wish it would lightning. I love lightning. I've asked it to give me a show, but it ain't giving me one. Anyway, Tammy Royce signing out. Catch y'all later. Love you. Thank you, YouTube, for your support. Oh, I forgot. Man, it might not be tomorrow. Be much more lighted tomorrow. Oh, got those rocks cleaned up that I was cleaning. It is a beautiful day. But I had a rotten one. Never mind. Another time, another place. Love y'all. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.